This is what it looks like with 4 panels wired up in parallel. So this is the final, let's see, positive wire. So these are the 4 positive cables coming from the panels, all aggregated down to one wire, this wire here. And this is that same wire marked with a yellow tab. So that's the positive wire. Total draw, or total aggregation amount is 14 amps. That gets pumped up to about 14.5 amps once it goes through the controller. So 14 amps of power from these 4 panels. Now let's take a look and see if the damaged panel suffered at all. Okay, the damaged panel is producing 3.8 amps. This panel is producing 3.8. This panel is producing, interesting, this panel is producing 1.8. And this panel is producing 1.6. Let's go back to the other panel, see if the volume is dropped. So it's still higher. This panel is producing 3.0 amps. And going back over to this one, 1.8. So the new panels are producing more than the older panels were now. And I don't know if that has anything to do with these connections when I connected it that's impacting it. Probably not, because they are producing something. So there we go.